Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning member, welcome back. And if you're a new member, could you please share, like, and smash that subscribe button? It definitely helps members know when I'm posting videos. And before we get started, I'm not a medical doctor. I don't make any medical claims. This is all based on my own personal journey. Well, welcome to week, I think we're on week 171. And actually, we're getting close to the end of the month. We only got a few days left, actually. 30 days in November, April, June, and September, something like that. Anyways, but yeah, you know, we had a really great month. We lost 15 pounds for the total over the month of November. We had a couple of lows in between where we had the big holiday Thanksgiving this past week, and also we had the St. Cecilia's Fair that we went to. Had a lot of carbs during the holiday and during the fair, but we managed to pull it off and managed to lose weight. So today's topic I wanted to talk about is when you feel as if you're going into the wrong direction, you can always turn it around and go in the opposite direction. And that's just exactly what I did this past month. And it's been really good. I've been very vigilant and careful what I've been eating. The only thing is right now I'm dealing with a bad cold and my sinuses, a really bad sinus infection. And I'm trying to get rid of it. It seems like it's lingering and there's no end in sight. So I'm just taking it easy and resting the best I can. Now, Friday night, we did the charity Friday night. Everything came out fine with the charity. The Progressive Cover all didn't go. I did play Friday night, but Donna won $50, and I didn't win anything. I only had one weight. I'm not crazy about the game of bingo anymore, you know, as far as playing goes, because man, I'm not winning anymore like I once was, and it's just boring for me sitting down there playing. I'd rather be working and walking around. Besides that, my left hamstring over there behind my area, and my leg area, and my hip area is really been bothering me. I believe Friday night walking around, I had to sit down. I don't know how long I'm going to be able to keep going with this. But anyways, we got some good news on the on the surgery. I'm going to have a surgery on the January 16th. I got to go up to Worcester for that. January 2nd, we go up there for day after New Year's. We're going up there for my pre-physical, and if everything goes good with that, I'm okay. Now, I'm just thankful that I get a cold now, because if I get a cold or any flu-like symptoms or any virus-like symptoms, they will not take me and they will not operate on me, because you can't have any open wounds. So all the open wounds that I had earlier this past year when we were going to have hip surgery, those are all healed and completely better. So what else we got going on this week, guys? Well, we got trees. We got the Festival of Trees going on this week at the City Hall, all this coming month until the end of December. It is available for public viewing as of last Wednesday. I did go down there Wednesday for a little bit. I'm going to be going down there again tomorrow, Monday, and all week, and taking lots and lots of photos and video. And I'll put something up on the YouTube channel for you guys to enjoy. So how this all works is people donate trees and the ornaments to the City Hall or to the City of Leominster. And it's a silent auction. You can bid on the trees, and if you're the highest bidder, you get to keep the tree and the ornaments. And then, but your problem is you don't get it till a couple of days before Christmas, when the final showing is. And also what we got going on this week, coming Saturday, we have the winter stroll. The mayor has a stroll event in the downtown area. So if you live locally and you want to come down, please do so and support the local community. They what they do is they have a lot of vendors set up. You can take pictures with Santa Claus if you got kids, and they got hay rides, or in our case, I think it'll be a trolley ride, and they might have hay rides, but I don't know. When they had hay rides last year, I believe. They got a guy that usually does a sculpture with ice, and then around 4:45, something like that, the parade comes through, and then they go down to the lower common area, and the mayor lights up the downtown common, and then take photos, and then go home. The mayor in front of the store does chestnuts, and you get hot chocolate, free hot chocolate. Usually the emergency management center is there, usually giving out free hot chocolate and cookies and that sort of thing if they got enough help. And yeah, so we're looking forward to a good day on Saturday, and then Sunday we got the Monitors at Corral. They're a great group of they do a lot of holiday tunes and stuff like that at the City Hall. It's not free. The concert, I believe, is $10 or something like that, and the money they go to nonprofit, and it's a good deal. I'm going to be filming, so I don't have to pay to get in, and my wife will be assisting me if she decides she wants to go. She usually likes going to that. But Saturday, if you're in the area, the time for that starts at 3 and it ends at 5. And then, of course, rain, I think rain or shine, I think they're still going to have it. It's supposed to be, from what I understand, it's supposed to be in the mid-50s. And we got some showers coming in. And that's fine. I'll bring my umbrella if I have to. And, I'm going to be filming it for my own personal use now. And the concerts are going to probably be my final 2 concerts this year I'm doing for the studio. I got to talk to the Colonial band members this year and find out if they want me to continue filming, returning it to the studio, or just giving them the video file, let them do what they want with it. But I'm planning on picking up my own camera outfit this coming year, coming around May or June. I'm just going to send out for a camera. I'm going to make a bill for one. My budget is around $3,500 for that. So, it's affordable, but I want to get something I'm going to be happy with. I'm going to get a studio style camera that they use something that I'm familiar with. And it's not so much the camera. The camera is a big expensive purchase. It costs around $1,400 for a camera, but to get all the accessories, I need at least 2 batteries. Batteries cost about $70 a piece, and I think you get one standard battery that comes with it. Then you need a chip card. You're talking about another $50, $60. Audio zoom, which is for the better of the audio, transmitters and receivers you need, and a tripod bag, a camera bag. It may or may not come with the the camera, and then you need some filters and some everything else that goes along with the camera gear. And so that's the direction I'm going to. And I already got one camera that I use, and then I got a backup at my M50 Canon camera and also my mobile camera. So I'll be all set for filming, and I'm putting myself out there publicly. If you live locally and if you want something filmed, I'll film it and take photography. I got a small little painted job coming up around the December 23rd. A friend of mine's getting married. She asked me if I could do a little bit of photography and photographs, and and I said sure. And I don't know if I'm going to charge her or not. I mean, none of it. Just I have it for nothing. It is what it is. But I feel very blessed. I just received a $500 donation. Somebody just gave it to me out of the clear blue sky. Very much appreciated. And if I give her the wedding for free, I just figured I got paid that way. And then also, and I'm still paying it forward. So if you happen to be behind a great car in line in one of these retailers like Dunkin' Donuts or someplace like that, if somebody pays for your way forward, just remember it could be me, it could not be me. But I just want to be generous like that guy was, that lady, those people that donated that to me. I mean, I was just blown away. And to see your generosity is much appreciated, that there's good, kind people in this world. I try to be friends with everybody, I don't, I just feel bad when happened to walk back and go on a Friday, and, that person still doesn't talk to me to this day. And I just, that's her problem, not mine. I try to talk to everybody, and I just figure that misery loves misery. They want to continue to be that miserable, be miserable, but life is too short, and I truly mean that. So Thursday we had Thanksgiving. So again, happy Thanksgiving. Hope you had a nice holiday. We certainly did. My sister did come over. We had a nice day. And like I think I said this before in the live the other day. Yeah, my sister gave us each a $5 scratch, and my wife won 20 on one of hers, and I didn't win nothing on mine. My sister didn't win anything on hers, and the cat was really good. He did, he wasn't scared of her, and then he went up to her a couple of times. She was able to pat him, and and he had a good day, and we're just having a good day, a good week all the way around, and I feel so blessed, and I can't thank you guys enough for holding me accountable for my weight loss journey and for my YouTube channel, and continue to inspire as many as you guys inspired me. Now I'm down to 225 again, and I feel really, really good. Again, I lost 15 pounds for the month. I'm really good and feel really happy about that, other than just the cold that I have that I'm dealing with. And we're going to continue on with the weight loss journey and going forward, and we still have many more pounds to lose, and I'd like to get back down to around 200. I think I was earlier last year. That'll happen. We still got 2 more big holidays. We got New Year's, and then we got Christmas. Christmas, I usually have a holiday ham, and then on New Year's, Donna and I always have Chinese food New Year's Eve, and that's not going to change. And and then keto. I'm going to just talk a minute about keto. What basically keto means is if you're in ketosis, you're doing keto, 20 net carbs a day, so you're burning your fat for fuel. I had Jess ask me a question a while back ago, is keto sustainable to you long term? I don't think it is. For the simple reason is after a while you get bored with it, or it's just not working. So if you're in that situation, I would just advise you to just try to change it up a little bit. Do what's will work for you. Like if you want to do like carnivore, BBBE, beef, butter, bacon, and eggs. Do some fasting here and there. Like I've done an egg fast, beef and butter fast, and I really love doing those from time to time, especially when I'm stalling. I think that's what really helped me for the month of November, because I did a couple of those. And I hadn't been feeling like filming any live videos for the last week and a half because I've been dealing with a cold. So we're going to go back to doing some of that again, but I want to go back to doing some filming and making some more videos for the channel. I got a nice new tripod. I haven't used it all that much, and I got that new wave cooking device that I bought. This was the an electric stove burner away from the stove. That I've used that already a few times, and I really like it. And yeah, we made a turkey soup with the leftover. Yesterday we had a couple of turkey plates the other day, and after this weekend I'm going to be all turkeyed out. But yeah, so that's all we got going on. So like I said, if you're traveling in the wrong direction regarding your weight or your health, you can always turn it around. Just remember that. Believe in your faith and believe in yourself that you can do that, because I know you can do that. I've done it and done it many times. And now I know that I'm losing weight and weighing myself up every day. My clothes are fitting a lot looser than they were about a month and a half ago. So that's always a good sign. You don't always have to weigh yourself up. All you can just do is just tell by your clothes, So we're back on track. I want to say thank you so much for following me along on week 171, I believe. And if it's not the right week, I'll make sure the right week is up. But be watching for some live videos. Be watching for the video from the I may do a live at the city hall, but I'm not sure, but we'll see what happens, because I can't film anybody. I don't want to film anybody, make anybody feel uncomfortable. It's public, and there's a lot of people that go in and view that at this time of year. But next Saturday we'll probably be filming a little bit of the stroll, maybe, doing some live parts here and there, just up and down the street and that sort of thing. And who knows, maybe I might even go live with the parade or not, and just I can use both cameras. I can do live with my set up 2 tripods, and we'll see how I feel that day. But anyways, I'm gonna get going. You guys have an amazing week. Be watching for some more cooking videos and some more live videos that we'll be doing from time to time. I'm still trying to figure out game night. I can get into the game, and when I go to type in my words, it's not taking any of my words on my computer. But I can go on my mobile phone. It lets me do it on the mobile phone. Is that because I need a laptop computer? Because I like to play it, and so I don't know. I can get as far as that, but it's baffling me, But because I like to, like last night, it was a Saturday night, filming this out Sunday, and if people are home on Saturday night, you're tired, you just want to relax in front of your computer, and what better way to relax? Play a couple of games with family and friends, right? So that's one of the goals that we're getting to get to, where we can do 1 or 2 nights a week. And then when we get to certain levels, I'll do cash giveaways. I'm going to probably just do a couple of $20, $30 gift cards like Amazon and Walmart and that sort of thing. But you'll have to give me your information so I can get it out to you. But so that's about it. So I just want to say thank you again for coming along. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give me a like down there, because it does help out my channel grow. And we're getting there, guys. Pretty soon. We should probably sometime around mid-part. I'm projecting about the mid-part of next year somewhere I'll be monetized. Yeah, I got like 1,127 subscribers as of this morning, but watch hours times, I got like 2,800 watch hours now. So I'm almost there, but it just takes time, to build up a community of people who trust in you, and that you trust in me and I trust in you. Now, if you live locally or something like that and you want to go walking, let me know, hit me up. And I wanted to talk one thing. I met a girl this past week. She follows a lot of stuff that I follow. She does metal detecting. And so once I get my left hip out, if I can bend over without no pain or anything like that, that's definitely going to be a hobby next year. I'm going to do a whole new channel, just metal detecting, and go through the setup of it, the review of buying one and how to use it, and and what do you find when you metal detect? Question of the day: did you ever do metal detecting? And if you're into metal detecting, what was one thing that you to find coins and stuff like that? You know, she showed me a whole bunch of stuff that she's found. You know, she's very respectable when she goes on properties, and she's always asking permission before she goes do any of that. So that's one thing I got planned for coming up this coming year in 2024. So again, hope you have an amazing week like I am, and an amazing month. And remember to stay vigilant, stay healthy, and love you guys, and be watching for those live videos. And don't forget to just subscribe to the channel. Love you guys. Have a great day. Have a great week. Thank you for watching.